welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to talk today about tips for designing, planning, and estimating your log or timber frame home, and what items do you start with. This process can be overwhelming, and so it's hard to know exactly where to start. And so today we're going to talk about tips for getting started in the planning process, and then we'll talk about design tips next week, and then we'll talk about estimating in the weeks to come. But today we're going to talk about how to start the planning process. What do you do? Where do you start this process? And the first tip is to develop that dream team. Develop that team of professionals that you're going to be working with. Go out and talk to general contractors and talk to designers or a design build firm like us who can do all of the design and fabrication and construction. Talk to an architect if you're going to be hiring an architect. So make sure you have a team of professionals that can help you through this process. The next thing is going to be create a budget goal. Just get an idea of what you want to invest in the project so that you know when you start that design and specifications process, you know exactly what you're designing and specifying your finishes to. The third item is going to be create a vision and a list of needs and wants that you want to go into the building project. What is your vision? What do you want the home to look like? How do you want it to perform and to function? Those are important things to make a list of so that you can properly convey those to your team of professionals, so that you can properly convey those to your designer. Because then the next item is to develop a plan. Make sure you have a good, solid plan in place that you can take to your general contractor that conveys all those needs and wants and that vision that you want into the home, so that he can go out and then do the last item, which is prepare a turnkey budget. So making sure that you've got a good solid number, that you know what you're going to invest into the project before you ever get started. And so without that team of professionals, without that vision, without that budget goal and that plan, it's hard for a general contractor or for other subcontractors for that matter to go out and actually prepare a turnkey number so that you can know what it's going to take to build this project. So those are 5 tips today to help you get started. There are many more. I would encourage you to go to our YouTube channel and to take a look at the Lunch and Learn presentations that we've done on building your dream home and creating a budget. I think those will be very helpful for you. If you don't get any of the answers that you're looking for, feel free to call our office anytime and ask for and talk to one of our sales consultants. We'd be happy to help. Hopefully this has been helpful today. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to seeing you next week for more Tip Tuesday. Until then, stay safe and healthy and take care.